Commissioner for Kisii Central. Me here is Mr. Juma. Mr. Juma is the Sub-County Director of Education. Today was the beginning of the KIPSEA examination. So we opened the container in our usual time of 6 a.m. Literal briefing by all the stakeholders. And we issued exams to 78 public primary schools and 14 private schools. All of them, they have started their exam. As you can see, the buses are leaving. Deployment is very okay. You can see police officers here. They are well briefed. They are ready for the task. So all exams have been dispersed. No center has missed the exam. They are now headed to school to start the exam. Shortly we are going to issue for the KCSE practicals, and thereafter we are going to go for monitoring with my sub-county director and my security committee. We're going to go to schools to ensure that the integrity is really maintained. We really brief them properly. We don't want any teacher to have a phone. All phones should be collected, locked in a locker and guarded by a police officer. So we don't want to find any teacher having a phone in the exam. We have told them, as much as we have reduced the level of the police surveillance, that does not guarantee them to do vigilance. So we are going to go to the station to ensure that as we monitor that everything that exam entails, that level of keenness is observed by all of them.